Come and take me, dear. Home Depot's calling, I can always hear. Aisle to aisle, I roam without a doubt. Tools and lumber in my mind, there's no route. Out I'm there, cash in hand. With every visit, it's like my promised land. My wife, she heads straight for the seeds and flowers, but I'm lost in gadgets for endless hours. Power drills and paint cans, oh the sight. Just one trip never feels quite right. And I swear she understands, 'cause in our home every tool's got my handprint. Trials to tiles, my list extending. My better half, her green thumb's never bending. She's with the pedals while I'm deep with drills. In these wide aisles, time just stands still. I grin, she winks, our love's not veiled. In the kingdom of DIY, together we're hailed. She's whistling to the birds she'll sow. I'm dreaming about the seeds of projects I'll grow. In her garden paradise, she knows every name, while I wander through the hardware, stoking my flame. Welcome to my Wonderland, bright in Home Depot's glow, where every tool's a treasure and the possibilities flow. Strap on my boots, I got a job to pretend. Another excuse to Home Depot I went. Aisle by aisle, I just can't resist. Building dreams with every item on my list. I'm there, lost in plans, walking through my workshop wonderland.